Hi, YouTube. Oh, look, I'm on camera. Good morning. We are at the Wilderness Lodge this morning. We're gonna try out the Whispering Canyons breakfast. They have bottomless breakfast skillets, which I'm not really sure what that means, but they look kind of delicious. And they have some good options for the kids. Like they have cheddar cheese grits that Tara absolutely loves. So we're gonna walk in and try breakfast here and then head over to Magic Kingdom since we're so close today.
Oh, look at the tree. Whoa.
I want to stay here sometime. I want to stay here sometime. Yeah.
That's where we're going.
What do you think of that tree?
Oh my God, beautiful.
It has teepees on it.
Can we live here? You're so cute, bro. This tree is like warm and cozy, and I really like this.
It also helps that it's in like a huge lodge pole.
Yes, this looks a lot
Structure.
like the Grand California
Oh yeah.
Hotel
Okay.
in Disneyland. It's very much like this when you walk in. Did you go in there when we were at
Nope.
Disneyland?
Nope.
Yeah. It looks just like this.
I like these decorations too.
Oh yeah.
This is kind of neat in here. They have like a fake little geyser or hot spring thing.
Yeah.
And when last time we were at Magic Kingdom, Tara and I went over to the Splash Mountain area where they have a similar little geyser thing, but those actually shoot up. But the funny thing is, yeah, when we walked over, first thing Tara said was, it doesn't smell like a real geyser.
But they try to make it smell like that.
And there's this massive wreath over top of this stone fireplace. Beautiful. Is that Lincoln Logs?
Yep. Alright, just checked in. Our reservation is in 8 minutes, but he said they'll send us a text when it's ready. So
I don't think we're going far because they got Lincoln Logs.
they're very happy.
This is like the perfect mass quantity of kid toys
Yes.
you could put out.
Yeah, this is great.
All right, that's a really big tower. Have you filled it up with the small ones? All right, what are you gonna do now?
Smash it.
You're just gonna tip it over? All right, do it.
It's gonna be loud.
Do it. Whoa. Look at that.
It's a Christmas one.
We are already at the bribery phase, and we just ordered drinks.
It's all right.
So this is a themed restaurant. There's lots of yelling and carrying on and pony riding. And there's, I'm hesitant to say this word out loud, but there's something about ketchup here. I don't know what that
Did
is.
you say ketchup? I'm not even behind, sir. Your food is coming. My goodness, calm down. Hi, YouTube. Oh, look, I'm on camera. We got the skillet, and apparently just all the portions come out. Brian and I both ordered the skillet, and it's kind of family style here at the table. We got potatoes with some peppers and onions, scrambled eggs, big sausage, bacon, biscuits, gravy. There were waffles, so the children took them. And because Ben is considered an infant, because he's 2, he can eat off of any of our plates. The girls, I got toast, and Tara got cheddar grits, but they're also eating some of the waffles just because they love the waffles.
Waffles. Yep, just drop them. There you go.
Perfect.
Oh, they got the red stuff.
We got the red stuff.
I wonder if we'll get to do that.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of
Holy cow. What just happened?
They were singing happy birthday, and the woman who they were singing to, they kept going like happy birthday too, and then she would go me. And one of the servers here, her name is Dee, and she's a little bit crazy. She just like ran over and grabbed her cupcake and just started eating it. She's just walking around eating her cupcake while she's serving. This is also the server who has quit, I think, 3 times since we've gotten here.
Yeah.
She just keeps going. So funny.
Comes in half-gallon portions.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. If you finish all of that, you get a prize at the end.
Oh, jeez. Look at the trick to the bow.
They even had long straws.
It's not a long straw, it's 2 put together.
Oh, it's 2 straws put together? Oh my lord.
Oh, goodness.
All right, have fun with that. Wow. Wow.
Oh my goodness. And this is full octane.
Look at the normal size.
I don't normally drink sweet tea. I drink like half and half, and usually on the like unsweetened side. But I just figured it would be easier to order sweet tea. Oh, that's a lot. You could like see the sugar swirling down the bottom of the syrup. Oh my goodness.
Aaron made the mistake of reordering eggs, and when you order one thing, it comes in an entire skillet.
Yeah, it is a lot of eggs.
It matches her tea though. That's like, do you want tea and eggs? We got you covered.
Yeah. I did not finish my tea.
No. You get a fast pass if you do though.
Yeah, apparently that's the prize that you get. If you finish all of it, you get a fast pass.
I don't see that happening. Okay, so we're all done.
Yeah. It
Delicious.
was delicious.
Yeah.
If you are able to come to Whispering Canyons to come for breakfast, I don't know what lunch and dinner are like, but breakfast was a lot of fun. It was loud and rowdy, and so our kids being a little bit loud wasn't an issue. When Ben started to cry, kind of loudly, the crazy server came over and tried to cheer him up, and she kept coming back and checking on him and stuff, so that was really cute. It's kind of a fun atmosphere, so if you were able to come, make your reservation and come, because there was a 45-minute wait at 10 o'clock this morning.
And not that expensive either.
No, not that bad. We got the most expensive thing on the menu, which was the skillet. Brian and I both got it. It was $21 each, but you get as much food as you want. You can use your annual pass discount, so we got 10% off with that. So you eat those eggs, girl.
She just ate like an entire egg. Holy cow. Alrighty, just let her do it without laughing.
Yeah, it's all good.
All right, so let's look around here a little bit more.
Yes.
To check out the decorations.
No, I think we're going to take the bus over to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna walk around and look at some of the decorations. This is absolutely beautiful hotel.
Oh my goodness, yeah. And at
Beautiful.
Christmas time, it's so warm and cozy here.
Let's go check out the outside area here. It is not swimming weather, for sure.
Like 59.
I think the pools are heated though because they're open.
Yep.
There are people in the pool, but the problem with swimming in a heated pool is the air is not heated, so when you get out, oh, there's a little kids swimming area. That's cute.
That would be so cool.
It's like a little tiny splash park.
Yeah, for me
And
again.
like I love, there's a gate that closes and there's only one way in and one way out. Every area made for children should be like that. Oh, did you find geysers?
I can't see them.
No, they're not going right now. I think that one's on a schedule, isn't it? I feel like we've seen a geyser that was on a schedule before. Where was that? Oh, yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's where I want to go.
Yep, so they got a couple hot tub spa thingies. That's a nice little, oh, there's a slide down the rocks.
I want to go.
Very nice. This is a pretty hotel. Very pretty. Oh, it's a salon.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, salon by the springs. Nice. Again, beautiful decorations.
They also have cabins here that are right along the water.
Oh, really?
You can see them from the monorail when you come in from TTC. They're right along the water before you get to the Contemporary.
And then Fort Wilderness is just down around the shore, right?
Yeah, it's right over there. You can see the...
Are they connected at all?
No.
There's no pathway?
There might be a trail that connects them.
Yeah, that's what I
think
thought.
it's a really long trail.
Holy cow, is this still part of this hotel?
Yes.
Wow.
Look at this, is a bison.
Ben, did you see the bison?
Oh, it's nice in the sun.
Oh, the sun feels wonderful.
Oh, it's chilly
Look at that.
today.
Okay, this is a little
It's a little fuzzy.
large.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really cool though.
Look, there's a baby bison.
I was gonna say the bison remind me of the Badlands.
Badlands, yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy.
That's where we got surrounded by bison.
That was cool.
That was very cool. There we go. Here's a map.
Yeah.
So
The other
So we parked out here, walked in, and then where we dined was right here.
yeah, the Spring Canyon Cafe.
And then we just walked out the back
oh, pretty.
down here by the pool. So Copper Creek Springs is what they call their pool.
Yeah, and then we came this way.
We walked down here.
That's
So the spa,
salon.
or the salon's here, the Geysers there, bar and grill. So we're here. Okay,
There's
so
another
these,
pool. This is a big pool.
yeah, so these are the cabins down along the water.
Uh-huh.
And then this is that huge building we just saw.
Yeah, and these are the ones you can see from the monorail.
Okay. And then they have a bus thing here, of course, and they also have a boat. These
These are
cabins are
single-
really, really big.
Single family ones, like,
I wonder how many they sleep. Maybe 12?
I don't know. I'm really curious. I want to check it out.
Those are really big. Oh, so this one's a little smaller.
Is it?
Is it? No, no, that's not. Wow. Wow, these are big. Very big. What is it? Oh, the geyser.
Oh, we missed the geyser.
Oh.
So they have grill, like a central grill area for the cabins where you can come and grill food if you need to.
Ben, we don't need a defibrillator. Thank you. I don't think I would trust Ben with a defibrillator.
No.
So we're gonna head back to the van and then go to Magic Kingdom and walk off some of this breakfast.
Oh, yes.
Yeesh.
Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed our breakfast at Whispering Canyons Cafe here at the Wilderness Lodge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.